Number 1. What are your feelings and emotions before the thesis proposal? Before our thesis proposal, I felt a mix of nervousness and uncertainty. The entire process seemed overwhelming and I was sure how things would turn out. I kept worrying about whether we had prepared enough and if we could confidently present our ideas to the panel. I often doubted my ability to propose our thesis well and feared being questioned about aspects we might not have fully considered. The thought of facing experienced professors and defending our work felt intimidating. Additionally, I felt the pressure of ensuring our group effort paid off, knowing that the proposal was a crucial step in our academic journey. I tried to stay focused and trust in the hard work of my group and I had put into the preparation. It was challenging to manage my expectation while reminding myself that this was just one step of the process. Ultimately, the experience helped me recognize the importance of preparation and teamwork even which feels feeling unsure of what ahead. Number 2, what are feelings and emotions after your successful thesis proposal? After the successful thesis proposal, I felt a sense of relief and happiness. All the nervousness and doubt I had before seems to vanish as we received positive feedback and approved for our thesis. I was proud of our group effort and how we managed to communicate our ideas clearly, knowing that the panel recognized the value of our work and approved our proposal gave me confidence and motivation to continue working hard on the manuscript. It was also a moment of joy and celebration for the group as the approval validated the sleepless nights and long discussion we had endured during the preparation. Personally, I felt proud of myself for overcoming the fear and stress that we had experienced before the proposal. The experience taught me that with determination and teamwork, challenges can be faced successfully. Beyond happiness, I also felt the sense of responsibility, knowing that this was just the beginning of a longer process. I knew there was still much to do, but the proposal success gave me the energy and determination to move forward with the project. Number 3, what are your memorable experience with your group mates? The most memorable experience with my group mates revolved around our teamwork. Throughout the thesis process, we shared countless hours of brainstorming, researching, share our ideas together. Late night meeting where we motivated one another to support each other during moments of doubt stood out as some of the most significant experience. I remember how we encourage each other when things become challenging, offering advice or simply providing emotional support. There were also later moments where we laughed at our mistake or took short break to talk about non-thesis related topic which help relieve stress. This moment reminded me of the value of collaboration and the importance of having a group of people who share the same goal. Each member brought unique skills and perspective to the table, which made our discussion productive. This moment of collective effort, where everyone worked hard and contributed equally, that become the most memorable. Even the struggles like revising multiple drafts or facing tight deadlines become meaningful because we face that together as a team. Number 4, what are your negative experience with your groupmate? Reflecting on the entire process, I can honestly say I don't have a negative experiences with my groupmate. They were always there when I needed their support, whether it was contributing ideas or helping with tasks. If there were disagreement or challenges, we resolved them quickly through open communication. Everyone has a shared goal of completing the thesis on time, and of course there were moments whether when the pressure of deadlines caused minor misunderstanding or stress, but these were natural given the intensity of the work. What mattered most was that we always prioritize teamwork and respect. Each group member recognized their responsibilities and contributed meaningfully, which made the process smoother. Overall, my experience with my groupmate was overwhelmingly positive, and I'm grateful for the cooperative and supportive we we had. This experience taught me the effective communication and mutual respect are key to avoiding negative within a team. Number 5. As part of the group, how can you help improve your thesis proposal? As a member of the group, I can help improve our thesis manuscript by truly understand the content and identifying ideas that need improvement, carefully reviewing each section to ensure it's all correct, and address all the requirements set by our advisors and panel. Take detailed notes on feedback from our proposal and incorporate this suggestion into the manuscript. Additionally, I will actively participate in discussion to ensure we address every concern raised during the proposal. I will collaborate closely with my groupmate, offering constructive feedback on their contribution and being open to the suggestion of mine. I believe the continuous learning and teamwork are crucial in producing a high quality thesis manuscript. I hope to contribute significantly to the improvement of our manuscript. Number 6. How are you going to evaluate yourself as a member of the group? If I were I were to evaluate myself as a member of the group, I would rate myself a 9 out of 10. I believe I've done my best to fulfill my responsibilities and lead our group effectively. As a leader, I make sure that we pass on time with deadlines and maintain good communication among members. I dedicated a lot of time and effort to ensure that the success of our thesis, from organizing meeting to contributing significantly to the manuscript. However, I acknowledge that I'm not perfect and I have areas where I could improve, that I'm not at times at times I feel I could have been more organized in addressing issue. While I'm proud of my contribution, I recognize the importance of continuously learning and growing. Overall, I believe my dedication, hard work, and willingness to collaborate with my groupmate reflect positively on my role as a group members.